All right, good day, guys, and welcome. Today we have a question from JAMB 1989, question 21, where we are asked to factorize 4a squared minus 12ab minus c squared plus 9b squared. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression. So we have 4a squared minus 12ab minus c squared plus 9b squared. Now, in order for us to solve this, we regroup this expression to form a trinomial. That is, we write 4a squared minus 12ab plus 9b squared minus c squared. These are regrouping is done in order for us to be able to factorize much easily, in order to make our work much easier. Now the coefficient of a squared become our a, and it's going to be 4. It's 4, and the our b is equal to minus 12, while our c is equal to plus 9. Now, because the coefficient of a squared is not equal to 1, we proceed to look for the value of ac. And we have a 4 times 9. This gives us 36 as our value for ac. Now, we look for the factors of ac. Now, when added together, gives us b. Where our value of ac is 36, the factors of 36 that gives us minus 12 are minus 6 and minus 6, because minus 6 times minus 6 gives us 36, while minus 6 plus minus 6 gives us minus 12. Therefore, 4a squared minus 12ab plus 9b squared minus c squared will be equal to 4a squared minus 6ab minus 6ab plus 9b squared minus c squared. Minus 6ab minus 6ab takes the place of minus 12ab. Solving further, we factorize out 2a from 4a squared minus 6ab. So we have 2a, bracket open, we're left with 2a minus 3b, bracket close. Next, we factorize out minus 3b from minus 6ab plus 9b squared. So we have minus 3b outside. We open the bracket and we're left with 2a minus 3b, bracket close. Write down minus c squared. Solving further, we have bracket open, 2a minus 3b, bracket close, bracket open, 2a minus 3b, bracket close. Now, we add minus c squared, and this is equal to, we have a 2a minus 3b appearing twice, therefore this becomes a bracket open, 2a minus 3b, bracket close, squared, minus c squared. It's not proper for us to leave a expression like this. This is not the end of this expression. This is not a final answer. Reason being that this expression is very much a difference of two square expression. Therefore, we have bracket open, 2a minus 3b minus c, bracket close, bracket open, 2a minus 3b plus c, bracket close, as our final answer. Thank you.